Hi, this is Joel Levitt, and I want to invite you to our Maintenance Planning and Scheduling course, the 20th through the 22nd of April. What is the concrete result of planning and scheduling? Well, it's really simple. Your people have everything they need to do the job. That's what planning and scheduling gives you. Now, planning is the deconstruction of the job into its elements. And the elements could be resources like the parts diagram. It could be information. It could be permissions, safety, whatever you need to do the job. Now, scheduling is in a precise timing, deliver all those resources to the person doing the job, and also balancing the jobs for next week against the available hours for next week. Now, we get a return on investment from this. One of it comes from fewer barriers to productive work. Everything is there when they start the job. Fewer trips to the warehouse and avoiding collisions of resources. Why would you want to sign up for this class? Get rid of wasted effort. Improve your safety and quality. Learn how to plan maintenance jobs and set up maintenance schedules. So I want to thank you very much. I want to make that invitation to you. Please sign up, and thank you very much.